We guide you through how to download Messenger audio. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Messenger conversation and locate the audio or voice message you want to save. Then tap and hold the audio file until options appear. If you are using mobile, tap Save or Download if available. But if you don't see the option, tap Share and send it to your email or file saving app like Google Drive. Now, if you are on desktop, open Messenger on your browser, click the conversation, find the audio clip, then right-click on it and select Open in a new tab. Once it opens, click the three dots or download icon to save the file directly to your computer. If the download option still doesn't show, play the audio and use your browser's developer tools or a screen or audio recorder as an alternative.
One, two,
And
three,
that's
four.
it. You now have your
One, two,
Messenger
three, four.
audio saved and ready to use anytime.